So welcome back to Introduction into C Sharp, and this is a lab video, and this is session 4 activities, and in the first one off the list was the 5 times table. So I've already opened up the Visual Studio and called the program times table, so we'll get stuck into it. So we're going to have to do a little for loop, I think. So let's set up the display to say what we're doing. So we will be showing the 5 times table. So how are we going to do it? Well, I think we'll do a for loop. So don't use I, it always wants to come up with other bits. So for start off, we'll go A equals A equal, and it doesn't like that, does it? Alright, let's for M equals 1, and now will you let me put the spaces in, and what's the condition for while M, not mailbox, M is less than 12, we'll do M plus plus. Alright, so we'll have to do a equation. So what's the equation? We'll have to have the answer. So let's go integer answer, and that's going to be M, not mbox, M multiplied by 5. And what have I forgotten there? I've forgotten that little pesky semicolon. So for that, and we're going to have console and we're going to write line, and we're going to say placeholder by 5 equals placeholder 2 and then we're going to have M I love it how it always tells you what it's going to do. And then answer. And it's not liking that. Integer m equals 0. Alright, so m is now defined as an integer, and it's now performing a little equation, and we need to close that off. And what did we do? What did we do? What did we do? What did we do? We forgot to do that, didn't we? And then we're going to do a console. And we're going to do a read key. Now, will that be sufficient? Five times table starts at 1, goes to 5, goes to 11, doesn't do the 12. Why? Because we said less than 12. So it really needs to be less than 13. And then run it again. Then we have 12 times 5. See how difficult it is to remember coding? Okay, so what did we not do? We didn't put any comments in. So this is looping for 12 times to calculate the table and display. All right. I think that's about it. Yep, I do believe so. Save. Look at that. Job done. Now, the next program in the list, find the biggest number out of 5 numbers. And if you refer back to video 3.3, which is a lab which is doing arrays and number sorts and doing min-max calculations, you'll be able to do that one fine. Find the biggest number out of user entered numbers. Again, refer you back to that one. So fourth program is write a program and ask the user to enter car makes like Ford, Holden, etc. and store these names in an array and then display them after you sort them in alphanumeric order. Refer you to video 3.4. That one we did there. Again, highlighting the arrays and strings, user input, and then adding that into an array and then sorting and displaying. So the activities video for session 4 is suddenly become a lot shorter. Okay, so the next ones are to do with switch methods, and I think we'll go to the next video for that one. Alright, until then, have a good day.